Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and I did it again. I have some Amazon and I have some Michaels. Alright, so let's start with Amazon. And no, I don't usually shop this much, but I'm excited that I have all of you here with me. I have an actual group of friends that want to craft together, and so now I've got my crafting spirit back, and so I'm getting a few things. Okay? We're not judging here. Nobody judges. We all love each other. Mr. Know-It-All, do I have a shopping problem?
No way.
Did I pay you to say that?
Absolutely not.
Am I the fairest in the land?
It's a no for me.
Rude. Okay. Let's just use the scissors and open this. And let's talk like this. Okay, great. So, this only has one thing in it. And it's small, but it's powerful. It's very powerful. It is a shaker die to make a gingerbread mug card. I don't even know if you can see any of that. I will put a picture of it up here so that you can see what it looks like. Adorable. Okay? October starts our crafting month, and so we're going to be doing Halloween crafts, Christmas crafts, fall crafts, whatever kind of crafts I want to do. Whatever ones you want to see. Alright. The next item that I ordered, I picked it up and I said, why is this so heavy? What in the world did I order? This is weights. What is this? Then I remembered. So, Tina's Crafty Creations had a video recently. She has her life together because all of her dies are just so neat and everything like that. And mine aren't too bad, but they could be better. Here's what I have. Ooh. Hold on. We're going to look at it now. So I have all of my dies and some other things in these boxes, right? Picked them up from, I don't know, Tuesday morning, maybe from Hobby Lobby, we don't know. And so I have all of my Christmas in one, you know, all of my spring in one, all of my, yeah. Then behind it I have my card envelopes. And then on the side I have some. And then I have these, which are magnetic plates that hold, you know, frames and my, it's just not. Okay? It's not working out. And what is this? Okay. And yeah, so I wanted to try a new method. I also have issues with my stamps because I bought a bunch of those bags that you get at Michael's, and then you put, at Hobby Lobby, and then you put them down into the book. I got bits and bobs thrown in here. I threw some of them in a plastic bag. Why didn't I just put them away? We don't know. So I need to get my life together so that I can craft. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. And I don't know what I want to do. And I kind of feel like these clear stamps would be better in something like this. And my dies would be better in this envelopes with the magnets. Because this could keep all of my little, you know, bits of, I wouldn't, I've got some stamps that are just itty bitty. So I might just switch the two. I don't know. I got excited and hit add to cart. It's a problem. So we're going to see what we can do. But this is my storage method up here on these shelves. And so, yeah. We're just trying to get that organized. So, here's what I ordered. I don't know how many there are. Oh, it comes with them? What does it come with? I don't even know. We just hit add to cart. We don't know what we got. It looked good. And so I said, hey, gonna need that. Okay, so it kind of looks like it might be the same type of deal. Sure did pack that snugly. All right. What's this? What is this? What? Oh, these are labels. They give you labels to put on this part. I don't know how to get to this part. Okay, this is what I wanted. I wanted something where, I'll throw the cans, can't. Let's just cut that. So these are pockets. See, I could put my dies down in these, right? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, you take the magnetic sheet, you put your dies on it. You put your dies down in here. I got 5x7 size, so I'd have plenty of room. And then you close it. And then, where do you put the label? Oh, I guess right here on this tab, maybe? We don't know. Because the tab goes on into there. So where would you put the tab? I don't know. We just hit add to cart. Alright. So that would be much neater if I could get them in all that. So maybe off camera I'll just sit and play and figure it out and have it done by October 1st so we can start crafting. I hope that you all, I don't know, I think there's like 50 in here. Maybe not. Maybe 25. We don't know. Add to cart. Okay, real easy. Just boop. Done. Okay. We have issues. We have so many issues. So I got that. And as I was saying, sorry, it left my brain, but it's back. It came back. Yay. It always comes back. Not really. If you have a craft room full of crafts that you want to do, specifically paper crafts, join me in the month of October. We'll get our crafts done. Make a list of all the things you want to do. Let's knock it out. Maybe we'll have Crafttober, where 1 week we'll do nothing but crafts, a series of crafts every single day for Crafttober. Would you like to have that? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so I stopped by Michael's and I picked up this paper because it was on sale for $4.99. They have a lot of patterns. I had them all in my cart and I said, what are you doing? Control. So, I think I picked out just one. Yeah, I only picked out one. Because I was like, you have a lot of fall craft paper at home. You don't need anymore. So whatever. I got the one that I liked, I guess, the best. We just got this one. And we will have a flip through of that. I probably got it because it has, yes, because it has shiny. We like shiny. So we'll have an overview of that. Then I bought some more dies, or dies, I don't know. For dice, it's die for plural. What is it for metal dies? Are they die as well, or are they dies? We don't know. I got these little houses. I just thought they were fun. I could make a little Christmas village or whatever I want for a card. Thought that would be fun. We don't know. Put it in the cart. Then I've been looking at Ollie's for one of these, and my Ollie's is just never going to have it. It's just never going to have it. Everybody else got them. We didn't get them. So I paid way too much for this. I paid like $70 for this, but I really wanted it. And so I got it. It's a cinch machine. I suggest you wait till they go on sale. But this is the first time I've seen them in stock in my store forever, and I grabbed it. Suitable wire size, 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch. Then I picked up the box of wire that was right beside it, and it is 0.6 inch by 12 inch. 0.6 is 6/10, so that would be between a half. That would be about a little over a half. Yeah, so I guess 5/8 would be like 6. Y'all, don't get me doing any damn math. Come on now. Y'all know better than to ask me some math questions. 16. Is 16. I'm leaving that in there. Is 6/10 like 5/8? We don't know, but we hope. Because it was beside it, so we got it. I'm going to have to ask my son. And he's going to say, what are you talking about? That's so easy. It's blah, blah, blah. No, it's not. Then, I do have... Do I have? Have I recently had? We don't remember. I think I have a die set for Halloween, but we don't remember. But I got this to make a shaker card. We don't know if we have any shaker material to make said card, but we'll figure it out. I got this for my son because he hates the erasers that come with the pencils because they're just awful. Nobody likes them. A good white eraser is fabulous. So I got to give him that. Oh, and I got these, which are plastic domes, and these can be used in cards for making shakers. You can put your own acetate on it and put, you know, pop-up foam tape under it. I don't know that I have the patience. We're going to try, but I got these. So, that's all I got. Now let's look through the paper. Alright, let's look over the paper. So this is called Grateful Gatherings. It's from Michael's, special edition. Again, they had like probably 6 to 8 different variations, and I had started throwing them all in my cart, and then I said I just gotta wait because it'll be in another couple of months. They'll be on clearance. We can get them even cheap, whatever. So I just wanted to look through it and show you what you get. But, you know, I'm a nut for the, pun intended, I'm a nut for the acorns and the cute little fat squirrels. So we like that page. That'll go on a full. Oh, we like those. We have 2 pages of that. Okay, so there's 2 pages of everything. I liked these. I don't know. I kind of look at them and now I feel like they're kind of big. But I guess if I did a card that was this way, this orientation versus that orientation. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. We've already tried the math. Just took it over to my son. He's like, oh, yes, well, you just do 5 over 8. Yes, it's right. Right within the specs. Just barely. You can get 6.25 inches, and that's 0.6. So you're fine. Or you can get 0.625 inches, and that's 0.6. So you're fine. You're within specs. Okay, great. Thanks. I don't know how he does things like that. I really don't. Got some pheasants in case you get a little hungry. Got some lace and some flowers. Some pumpkins. I had a hard time choosing. I had a really hard time choosing. And I think the foil and the cutouts are what got me on this one. I think this one had the best foil and cutouts. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. I did get a little overwhelmed. So there's that. Fabulous. And then it repeats. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Because these are different. Oh, it's like a darker color of all the first ones. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Pears. Okay. And see, we have the smaller cutouts. Yes, this had the sheet of the smaller cutouts. And I don't know if the others did because I was barely looking at them. Just started throwing them all in my cart. And I'm like, I got to chill. So I wanted these to make different cards and things with. I thought that would be fun and get 2 pages of that. So those are on sale when I got it for $4.99. I don't know if they still are, but definitely keep an eye on your Michaels if you want more paper in your life because we can't have enough. Mr. Know-It-All, can I have enough paper?
No.
I didn't think so. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful evening. Also, I'm trying to hit 2K subscribers. So if you haven't, please hit subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the description box if you are looking forward to Craftober, a week of crafting with Leslie's Living Room. All right, guys. I'll see you there. Bye.